Hi. You getting cranky? Hey, what you doing? Oh, look at that face. Look at the cranky 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 face. Hi. Oh, no. Face. What if we get the blow dryer? Will you stop crying if I get the blow dryer? Yeah? You're just a little fussy. You're just a little fussy. Oh, who loves a blow dryer? Who loves a blow dryer? Is that better? Is that better? No, you need more. You need more blow dryer. Oh, so much better. So much better. Yeah, that's better. So much better. Oh.